Don't you think Miley Cyrus is like a slut?
Yes, she is, and she needs to fix those jacked up teeth. She's like, oh my god, I'm Miley Cyrus, sweet niblets.
Oh boy.
Oh my god, and I just love Nick Jonas. Oh my god. Oh, look at my jacked up rabbit teeth. I'm from the trailer parks. I think I'm just so cool now that I'm a celebrity. Sweet niblets.
Can you believe Miley Cyrus actually talks like that?
I know. So, you think someone would give her voice lessons, but oh no, she just talks like some girl from Jerry Springer. I want my Jerry beads.
I know. She should name herself Miley Slut Cyrus.
Yes, she should. And you know what? See our wall over there? She would. And you know what? I don't even know why Nick went out with her. She's so damn ugly. Oh my god.
Have you even looked at her teeth like one time? Did she even look at herself in the mirror?
No, she didn't. Oh my god, Miley Cyrus.